1 teaspoon basil seeds, sabja seeds. Add 100 milliliters of water. Soak for 10 minutes. 150 grams watermelon pieces. Take a blender and put watermelon pieces, a half a glass of water. Blend it. Please subscribe to my channel. Add watermelon pieces. Few mint leaves. A quarter teaspoon roasted zeera powder. A quarter teaspoon black salt. A quarter teaspoon black pepper powder. Crush all the ingredients. A half lemon juice. One tablespoon soaked sabja seeds. 3 to 4 mint leaves. Lemon slices. Mix it. Add ice cubes. Pour watermelon juice. Mix. Sabja seeds.